Hey everyone, it's your name here. I'm so excited to have you join me today. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of online tutoring. With the rise of digital education, it's more important than ever to stay updated with the best tools available. Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 online tutoring tools that can make your teaching experience smoother and more effective. These tools are game changers for educators everywhere. Whether you're teaching calculus, history, or coding, these tools will change the way you interact with your students. They offer innovative features that enhance learning and engagement. We're breaking down each tool, its strengths, and how it can help you level up your teaching game in 2025. From interactive whiteboards to AI-driven assessments, we've got it all covered. So buckle up, grab your favorite notebook, and let's get started. This journey into the future of online tutoring is going to be both informative and exciting. First up, the heavy hitters, Zoom and Google Meet. These platforms have become essential tools in the world of online education and remote work. These video conferencing tools are the foundation of your online classroom, allowing real-time connection with students. They enable interactive learning experiences and foster engagement. Zoom and Google Meet offer screen sharing, breakout rooms, and collaborative features that enhance the learning environment. Additionally, session recording for review ensures that no one misses out on important information. Make sure you're comfortable using all their features, from scheduling meetings to managing participants, to maximize their potential. Next up, let's dive into the world of visuals. Canva is a game changer for creating stunning presentations, worksheets, and visual aids. Whether you're a teacher, student, or professional, Canva simplifies the design process. Its drag-and-drop interface is user-friendly, even without a graphic design degree. Canva offers templates, fonts, images, and more. You can easily add illustrations to make your lessons visually appealing and engaging for students. Need an eye-catching presentation or engaging worksheet? Canva's got you covered. It's the perfect tool for anyone looking to enhance their visual content. Traditional flashcards and quizzes can be boring. Quizlet changes that. Create interactive flashcards, quizzes, and games that make learning fun. Quizlet has a massive library of pre-made study sets, saving you time. It tracks student progress so you can see where they need more support. Remember crowding around a whiteboard? Those days are over. Miro and Jamboard let you recreate that collaborative experience online. Draw, write, add sticky notes, and upload images in real time. Let's talk about communication. As an online tutor, your written communication needs to be on point. Grammarly catches grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and suggests improvements. It's like having a personal editor on call 24/7. Trust me, it's a lifesaver, especially if writing isn't your strong suit. Time to inject fun into your lessons with Kahoot. Create interactive quizzes that feel like game shows with students competing in real time. Kahoot is fantastic for reviewing material and keeping students engaged. Being an online tutor involves a lot of juggling. Notion and Trello help you manage lesson plans, assignments, and student progress. These tools centralize your tasks and information, create to-do lists, organize lesson plans, and collaborate with other educators. Ever wish your students could rewind you? With Screencastify they can. Record your screen, webcam, and audio to create engaging video lessons. Students can watch recordings at their own pace, pausing and reviewing as needed. Let's talk about getting paid. PayPal and Stripe make it easy to invoice clients and accept payments online. These platforms are secure and reliable, so you can focus on teaching. Calendly saves you from endless email back and forth. Set your availability, share your calendar, and let students book appointments. It integrates with your calendar, sends reminders, and eliminates scheduling conflicts. And there you have it, the top 10 online tutoring tools to transform your teaching experience. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tools to enhance your online teaching journey. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching.